All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is. Welcome to today's assignment. So for today, we're going to try to do a virtual lab on natural selection. So first, you're going to click on this link right here, and it'll open up this window. And as it says, you're going to read the background information and follow the procedures. So right over here is the background information. Just read through it. And then down here are the procedures. And so you're just going to read through the procedures and do what it says. Let me demonstrate what you're going to be doing. So this is a computer model of mutation, condition, and how natural selection changes a population over time. So what you're going to do, if you click on the drop-down menu here, you see there's 3 possible mutations: larger body with longer legs, a smaller body with white fur, or claws for climbing, right? So 3 kinds of mutations. Let's just pick the first one, large body, long legs. And then you have 2 conditions. We can choose a new predator moving into the area, or food is restricted. So maybe there's like a famine, there's a shortage of food. So let's pick a new predator, okay? And so here we can see the model has set it up. There's the normal animal is small-bodied and short-legged, and then here's our mutant, right? Larger body with longer legs. And then here's the new predator that moves in. Then we click Begin Natural Selection, and we get a little animation. And it tells us that 5 generations later, this is what we see. We see mutant, 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 normal. So we have now more mutants than we have normal. Okay? And then click on Population Graph, and that gives us the exact data, right? So we see that from generation 0 to generation 5, the mutant animals increased in frequency. They became more common, and the normal animals decreased in frequency, right? We got less of them. Now this data we need to record in our data table right here. So you can either go, so we have our mutation is large body, long legs. So I put that in here, right? So we have, so first we have a normal, right? The normal animal, and the condition we have is new predator. So I'd put normal, new predator, and then the other one is our mutant animal, and we have to say what the mutation is. So large body, long legs, right? So we'll put that down here. Large body, long legs, right? Actually, it should be large body, long legs, and then the condition is new predator, right? They have the same condition. And so now I just need to put in the numbers. So I'm going to do normal first, right? So normal, that's the blue line, started at 50, so I put that in, 50, and then what was that? That's like, at 1, it's like 43. And then at 2, was that 35? A little more, 36. Generation 3, 30. Generation 4, it's like 21. And generation 5, like 19. Right? And now I'd go in and put the numbers for our large body, long legs. Right? I just go ahead and put that in. Okay? And then after I'm done with that, I would put click Close, and then I want you to do it 2 more times, right? It says to repeat the virtual lab and investigate different mutations and conditions. So After that, go ahead and choose, now you decide, right? You can choose small body white fur. You can use the large body, the long legs with a different condition if you want, right? Just pick another mutation and another condition and go through the whole thing again, and then record the mutation and the condition and record the number that are present each generation. Okay, when you're all done with that, you'll see that there's enough space for 1, 2, 3 trials. Right? So after you've done it a total of 3 times, you're now going to just type your answers to these questions in the boxes here. And please use a different color so I can see your answers. Okay? And after that, you're done. Submit your work like we usually do. And that's it for today. Right? Good job. If you do have any questions, send me a message through Schoology, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.